Car accidents, falls, and accidents from sports happen every day, and it's important to protect yourself from spinal cord injuries. Dick Freeburn from Freeburn Hamilton is here to help us stay safe. How you doing, Dick? Good to have you back.
I'm doing well, Amy. It's always great to see you.
Always good to see you. So we don't really want to think about spinal cord injuries, but how common are they?
They're more common than we would like to think. There are about 300,000 people living in the United States today with spinal cord injuries.
Yikes.
And about 20,000 more people suffer spinal cord injuries every year.
So you're a personal injury lawyer, so you probably see a lot of injuries. What are some ways that a spinal cord injury can happen?
Well, unfortunately, I've represented many people with spinal cord injuries, and I've personally witnessed the devastating effects of full or partial paralysis caused by spinal cord injuries. You want to be safe all the time, obviously, and sometimes people don't recognize how dangerous some of the things are that we do, like diving into a pool, or diving into water that we're not familiar with, diving off of a dock, automobile accidents, motorcycle accidents, fall downs, and sports are the most common causes of spinal cord injuries.
It seems like it can happen so quickly.
Oh, it
Something
does.
so minor.
Yeah.
Let's talk about, prevention.
Well,
don't do those things.
Well,
Right.
well, if
Right.
you're going to do extreme sports, you may want to think twice. But car seats for the children, seat belts for kids, helmets for both motorcycles and bicycles. And I was just mentioning, there's a new device out for my motorcycle friends, which is an inflatable airbag vest for motorcycles.
That's so cool.
It's amazing. I have a friend who, he's never had to use it, obviously, but there's a company called Helite, H-E-L-I-T-E. But if you go on their YouTube, it's amazing to see an actual crash, and there's a tether that attaches to the motorcycle. And when a person is thrown off of the motorcycle, it triggers this bag that inflates and will protect people. Because I've represented many people on motorcycles who have had spinal cord injuries. And if they had had that, I think they would not have had the injuries that they suffered.
Very good.
So.
If somebody maybe suspects they have an injury, they have something, what should they do if somebody knows somebody with a spinal cord injury?
Well, first of all, remember, if you see an accident, a person may have suffered a concussion and they may not be able to report that they have had an injury. If you think that a person may have had a spinal cord injury, make sure that you keep them still. Don't let them get up. Keep their head still. If you have towels or something like that, you want to put the towels next to their neck, and you just want to keep them, call 911 obviously right away, and get professional help, but keep the spine and the neck stable. And make sure that, because that can cause additional damage if the person is moved.
And of course, if they do need help, they can call the 7s and reach you, right?
Yeah, if you've been in an accident that was not your fault, we can help you, including spinal cord injuries. Dial the 7-717-7777. We will fight for you.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much, Dick.
Amy,
good to have you
always
today.
A pleasure.
Well, stay with us because we have a lot more to come in our next half hour. Are you planning a wedding for the fall? Well, stay tuned because we'll get tips from one of the best wedding planners around. We'll be right back with more Good Day PA.